Hello dear friends, Assalamu alaikum, good morning, have a nice day. Friends, today I am again present for your serve online system and today we will focus on the some networking devices which work on the networking, right? So let's start. Today we will focus on three things. What are these three things? Are switch, hub, and routers. Right. You have to clear point of view what we will discuss in this lecture. Switch, hub, and routers. So please concern with me till the end of this video, dear friends, and please share and subscribe my YouTube channel. This is a very important lecture number 5 which I already mentioned on computer monitor screen and also mentioned on the animation video. Please watch both of that and you also welcome this lecture. So we will focus on explain on whiteboard in deeply discussion what is work of hub, what is work of switch and what is work of router. So please concern with me till the end of this video. Thank you. So first of all, we will discuss on the hub. What is hub and what is work of hub? Right. So first of all, what is definition of hub? Hub is also broadcast networking device. Right. Which is commonly work on physical layer of OSI model. Which type of OSI model work on hub? Physical layer of OSI model. Hub work on physical layer of OSI model, right? Next is hub is used for commonly LAN connected any organization, right? Hub is commonly used for LAN connected any organization. That organization may be bank, school, college, university, hospital. That means LAN, local area network, we can say. That's all. Next is hub sends the data one PC to other PC one time. This is logical. This is important. You have to note in your mind. Hub is also send the one information to all PCs, right? If one PC send the data and that data also send all PCs in one time. That's work of hub, right? Because hub has not any memory. Because hub has not any memory, right? CAM stands for content accessible memory. Hub has not any authority of memory. Means we can say it is also unintelligence or unsecurity networking device, right? Next is CAN stands for content accessible memory. Number 5, we can say that hub is also unintelligence or unsecurity device, right? Hub used for only single colon domain, single way, right? Hub has a single path, right? Suppose sender send the data in the single path and never will be among them will be used and third party to send the data to the other PCs, right? Let's scenario of hub. This is hub scenario. PC1, PC2, PC3, PC4, PC5, PC6, PC7, PC8 are connected with single hub, right, in LAN, local area network. In this case, no any memory. That means PC want to, if PC want to share resources to the PC4, that data share the data will be sent. These are PCs. Suppose PC send one data. So one PC can communicate with one PC4. That data will be going PC2, PC3, PC4, PC5, PC6, PC7, PC 8 means also sharing to all LAN network, right? It's good example of hub means unsecurity, unintelligent, right? In this case, next term is a switch. What is switch? As I compare, then hub. So please consider. Switch is also we can use uniport or multiport. Uniport or multiport. Switch is a networking device which used to work on data link layer of OSI model. As I compare physical layer of OSI model, hub work on physical layer of OSI model and switch work on data link layer of OSI model. Clear? Next, switch sends data one PC to another particular PC. This is a logical question. Might be coming in your interview section or test. What is the difference between hub and switch, right? So you have to clear about answer is that you have to keep in your mind hub sends the data one PC to all PCs any one time, right? And other comparison then switch, right? Switch send the data one PC to another particular PC, right? How? Let's continue. Switch used to also any organization to connected LAN. Same case as compare than hub. Hub is also connected LAN and switch is also connected LAN. But the difference is that hub send the data one PC to all PCs and switch send the data one PC to another particular PC, right? Switch has own CAM. Like you have to clear a point of view, right? Switch has its own CAM, content accessible memory. As I compare, hub has not any content accessible memory due to one data sent all PCs. In this case, switch has CAM, contents accessible memory. This networking device send the data one PC to particular PCs. That's memory, right? Next, switch is intelligence and security device. Why intelligent and security device? In same case, one PC to send the data one PC to particular PC means security device, right? As I compare, it will mention or it will send the data one PC to all PC and it is also used one PC to a particular PC. Let's scenario of switch. And switch works on multiple volume, multiple path, multiple way to the side of sender data, to the side of reach at the side of receiver destination, right? This is scenario PC1, PC2, PC3, PC4, PC5, PC6. And in this case, switch has CAM, contents accessible memory. In this case, what are the contents accessible memory table inside switch? Used in on-self switch, right? Port number and MAC, media access control. Port number, which type of port? PC on PC died. And MAC address, which type of MAC address involve this PC? In this case, suppose PC1 send the data PC3. Suppose it's example. It will be not send the all PCs as I compare. It will be checked in his own CAM table, right? PC1 has MAC A. Then what is PC3 has MAC address? MAC stands for Media Access Control. We will discuss upcoming lecture. Don't worry. So PC1 want to meet or share the data PC3. So it will be checked in his own CAM, contents accessible memory table, right? It will be checked to number 2 PC B. No. It will be discarded or it will be rejected. PCA want to share the data PC3. PC3C is correct. It will be also reached to the side of PC3. This is particular PC. And other PCs are discarded, means rejected. It's not our data or our related sender side data. In this case, that's good example of hub and switch. And a switch has multiple column hub and single column has hub. This is single hub, right? One send the data, means that data will be go further and distributed and make copies and send all the pieces inside of hub, right? And next switch has different paths. Collision domain means different paths. A has a different path to communicate PC3, PC2 communicate different path, different column to the PC4, PC5, PC6. So hopefully friends clear about hub and switch, right? So next term is our router. What? Router. So now we will focus on router. What is router? What is work of router? And what is scenario of router for better understanding, right? So please concern. Okay, let's continue. Router, right? Router. Number one, router work on network layer of OSI model, right? Router send the data in the form of packets. Number three, routers give the real path sender to the reach destination side, right? And other thing is that what is router? So router is also networking devices which used for two or more than two different networks with each other. That's called router. And router work on which layer of OSI model? Network layer of OSI model, right? Next, router sends the data into the form of which packets. You know, we have discussed on OSI model, network carry the information to the form of packets. That's why router sends the data in the form of packets. Number three, routers give the real path sender to the reach destination side. Right, give the real path to the data to the reached on the sender receiver side. Right, clear? So let's talk about scenario. Suppose this is a router and this is one LAN. How many PCs connected on in this side, and this is second LAN. This is the second LAN, right? Hopefully clear about imagine. This is LAN 1 and this is LAN 2. So means what? This is different LAN, this is different LAN, right? Means router, what is purpose of router? Routers work on two different networks connected with each other. That's called router. So friends, hopefully clear about hub, switch and router. Please consider with me. This series is very interesting. So we will focus on next lecture. Subnetting mask, broadcast ID, etc. and IPv4, IPv6. Inshallah, we will cover. Please consider with me this series. After then, we will start a new series, web technologies. Please consider with me and share this lecture, share this videos. Your educated family, educated friends. So please subscribe and share my channel. Thanks for watching. Inshallah, meet you on next day. Again, thanks for watching. God bless you.